guys, so today the plan is to replace my custom made pedal here back with a replacement for this broken one. Now I got one off Wemoto, but as you can see it's not a gear lever pedal, it's the wrong way round, it's a brake pedal. So Wemoto aren't very keen on taking back this brake pedal because the box it's in is the right number for a gear lever pedal. It looks repackaged, so I think someone's just put the wrong pedal back in this box and they've sent it out to me. I have to follow up with that then later. So I can't use that. So my new plan is, this has already been repaired, this pedal, once and broken. See, it's got steel rods down it, which are stuck, but hopefully I can still fix it with them on there. The new plan is to use this aluminium arc rod to weld it back up, because I've only got an arc welder. Hopefully these will work alright. Now, it's very windy today, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it very well on camera, anything I do or say. So yeah, enjoy. Just to show you, this old spoon was my first edition of a replacement pedal. It's just been bent and 2 holes drilled in to match up. This one for the gear lever and this one just it spins on. So yeah.
Two hours later.
Okay, so I've had a go at welding and this is the result. Yeah. Fortunately the welder I've got only goes up to 100 amps. And these are 3.2mm rods. So either the rods are too big or I don't have enough amps. Yeah, so this is the result. Good news is Wemoto finally got back to me and they're going to send me the right part, so that's good.